Hello front ensemble and pit friends. Real quick video on 2-mallet grip. All right, that means how we hold the mallets. And we're all going to try and do this the same. The shaft, this is the shaft, goes behind the first knuckle, okay? The thumb holds it in place. Not real firm, but firm enough to hold it there, but not squeezing so that your fingernails turn white. Not a lot of pressure. All three of these fingers, they help too, so they need to touch the mallet as well. We're never going to point our finger down the mallet because then we lose control. And we're also not going to let our pinky go out because we lose control there too. All right, so they're going to match, and then all the fingers come around, and then we play. Here's a quick example of some playing. Okay, here we go. Our shaft is behind the first knuckle, thumb holding it in place. Other three fingers wrap around lightly, keeping it in place. We're going to face our palms down to the ground. All right, and here's our Chromatic Builder exercise. Let's just do the last version of it. And our mallets are held just like that. And because many of us have bell kits like this at home, I wanted to do the Chromatic Builder exercise with these mallets. Again, they're very thin, but you can still put it behind your first knuckle, thumb holds it in place, and there. Now don't put this in your thumb, or this in the palm of your hand. You want to have it out here like this. Okay, so we got these two. This is how we hold it for 2-mallet. And here's that same chromatic exercise played this way. And once with the 16th notes. All right. Stay safe. Can't wait to see you all in person someday. Play music every day.